Kesedaran tentang pencemaran alam sekitar perlu mengambil kira kesan pencemaran sisa mikroplastik yang menjadi ancaman serius kepada manusia. Ini kerana ramai tidak tahu tindakan pembuangan plastik menyebabkan sistem rantaian makanan tercemar melalui ikan yang menjadi sumber protein utama di negara ini. Isu mikroplastik antara fokus kempen kesedaran menerusi gotong royong pembersihan pantai setulang laut di Johor Bahru. Pantai berkenaan antara lokasi yang terjejas lambakan sisa sampah akibat kurangnya kesedaran kitar semula dalam kalangan penduduk.
Assalamualaikum and hello everyone. Today we will presenting our topic plastic pollution in rural area. Today we will explain what is plastic pollution, why it occurs in rural area, its causes, its impact on the environment, society and economic, and finally possible solution to reduce the serious issue. With this, we will make a video about Kampung Lampasan, which is rich in nature such as green area is now also affected by uncontrolled plastic waste. Plastic waste such as bag, bottle, and food are often thrown in the open due to the lack of systematic waste management facilities. Is it pollution? Plastic pollution refers to the accumulation of plastic waste in the environment that is improperly managed or disposed of, leading to pollution of land. Plastic is widely used in everyday life because it's cheap to produce, durable and long-lasting, easy to package food and goods. However, despite this advantage, plastic has a major disadvantage. It is very difficult to decompose naturally. Unlike organic waste such as food scrap or leaf, which decompose in a few weeks or months, plastic can take hundreds of years to fully decompose. Why it is an issue in rural area? Many people who receive plastic pollution mainly occur in city due to high population and industrial activity. However, rural areas are also significantly affected, such as in the of Santiton. In rural community, waste management systems are often limited. Some villages may lack regular waste collection service, environmental monitoring of enforcement. As a result, some residents may dispose of plastic waste by dumping in river, burning it openly, and dumping it in open area. This may seem normal, but it's because long-term environmental damage. The importance of the issue. Plastic pollution is not just a sanitation issue. It affects ecosystem and biodiversity, human health, and local economic activity. If left unchecked, plastic pollution could become a long-term environmental crisis that is very difficult and expensive to solve. Therefore, this presentation will examine the causes, effect, and measure to overcome the problem of plastic pollution.
Now I will explain the main cause of public pollution in rural area. For the first, poor waste management system. One of the biggest causes of plastic pollution is an insufficient waste management system. In most rural area, waste collection is not carried out regularly. There are also insufficient garbage bins, and recycling facilities are too far away or not available at all. Because of this, many people throw their plastic waste in river, forests, or open space such as roadside, which lead to environmental pollution. For the second is burning plastic waste. Another major cause is the practice of burning plastic waste. Some communities choose to burn their waste because they believe it is the fastest and easiest way to dispose of it. However, burning plastic releases harmful toxic gases such as dioxin into the air. These gases contribute to air pollution, can cause respiratory diseases, and increase the risk of uncontrolled fire. Therefore, burning plastic is harmful to human health and the environment. The third is excessive use of single-use plastic. The widespread use of single-use plastic also contributes significantly to plastic pollution. Common examples include plastic bags, water bottle, food container, and plastic straw. Although these items are often used for only a few minutes, they can remain in the environment for hundreds of years before they decompose. As a result, plastic waste continues to accumulate and pollute nature ecosystem. For the last is lack of environmental awareness. Another important cause is the lack of environmental mental awareness among some members of society. Many people do not realize that simple action, such as throwing plastic bottles into river, can have serious long-term impact on the environment. This pollution can harm wildlife, contaminate water sources, and affect the health of local communities. Therefore, environmental education and awareness campaigns are very important to encourage responsible waste disposal and promote sustainable habits. Now, I will hand over the presentation for my next group member.
Thank you. Plastic pollution has many bad effects of the environment, animal, human health, and the economy. One major effect is the pollution of river and soil. Plastic waste can block river, cause flooding, pollute water, and reduce soil quality, which affect farming. Plastic pollution also harm animals. Fish, birds, and other animals often think plastic is food. When they eat it, they can get sick, be injured, or even die. Plastic waste also damage aquatic ecosystem. In addition, plastic breaks down into tiny pieces called microplastic. This microplastic can enter our drinking water, seafood, and the air we breathe. Over time, they may cause health problems. Finally, plastic pollution affects the economy. It can reduce crop production, harm tourism, and increase cleaning costs. Therefore, plastic pollution is not only an environmental problem but also a social economic problem. Now, I would like to hand over the fourth presenter to discuss the solution and the conclusion.
Next, I will talk about solution and conclusion. Although plastic pollution is a serious issue, it can be reduced through collective effort. Number one is reducing plastic use. The first solution is to reduce the use of single-use plastic. People can bring reusable shopping bag, use refillable water bottle, avoid unnecessary plastic packaging. Small change in daily habit can create a big environmental impact. The second one is improving waste management system. Local authorities should increase waste collection frequency, provide proper waste bin in villages, establish nearby recycling center. A proper system help prevent illegal dumping. The third one is increasing public awareness. Environmental education should be strengthened through school program, community campaign, social media awareness initiative. When people understanding the consequences, they are more likely to change their behavior. Number four is community participation. Communities can also play an important role through regular cleanup activity, recycling practice at home, waste segregation effort. Cooperation between government, NGOs, and communities is essential. In conclusion, plastic pollution is a rural area is a growing environmental issue. Its main cause include poor waste management, excessive plastic usage, low environmental awareness. It affect the environmental, animal, human health, and the economy.